Hello everyone, we are Sentinel Tech. Have you ever struggled to communicate with your computer? Maybe you tried to use voice recognition software, but it just could not understand what you were saying. Or perhaps you have used a chatbot that could not understand your question. Natural language processing, or NLP, is the solution to these problems. NLP is an essential field of study in the intersection of computer science, artificial intelligence, and linguistics. In the past, computers have struggled to understand human language, but with the development of NLP, machines have become more proficient at understanding and processing natural language. Today, we will be discussing NLP in 5 minutes, covering the basics of fascinating field. First, let's talk about what is NLP is. At its core, NLP is a branch of computer science that focuses on how machines can interpret and understand human language. This includes everything from analyzing the structure of sentences to understand the meaning of words in context. NLP has become an increasingly important field in recent years due to the explosion of digital data. With more and more text data being generated every day, it has become essential for machines to be able to understand and process this data in order to provide meaningful insights. One example of NLP in action is the use of chatbots. Chatbots are computer programs designed to simulate a conversation with human users. They use NLP techniques to understand and respond to their inputs, making them a valuable tool for customer service and support. NLP is also behind the development of translation apps, which can automatically translate text from one language to another. This has made it possible for people to communicate across language barriers in ways that were previously impossible. Finally, NLP plays a crucial role in search engines. Search engines use NLP to understand the meaning of search queries and provide relevant results. This has made it easier for people to find the information they need quickly and efficiently. In conclusion, natural language processing is a fascinating field with wide-ranging applications from chatbots to voice recognition software. NLP has made it possible for machines to understand and process human language in new and innovative ways. As we continue to generate more digital data, NLP will only become more important in years to come.